Helium 10 Xray is the most powerful tool available for understanding products and competitors directly from the Amazon search results. In the previous video of this series, we used Cerebro to discover the keywords that have great potential to generate sales for our product idea on Amazon. Now we're going to look a bit deeper into what else is out there on Amazon for each of those keyword queries. Again, if you missed the previous video of this Helium 10 video series, it's linked in the description below. You can also find this full series on my channel homepage. If you haven't already, you'll need to download the Helium 10 Chrome extension to use Xray. Again, I've got a link in the description to download the extension and save you up to $120 on your subscription. Not bad. It is my affiliate link, so again, thank you for supporting me and my channel so I can continue to bring you more free content. And trust me, we've got some bangers planned for you. Now, once you've got that extension installed, go back to Helium 10 and navigate to your keyword list under keyword research. Now we're simply going to copy and paste a keyword from our list into the Amazon search bar. At the top of the results, you'll see the Helium 10 data. Click Show Full Summary to open up in-depth analytics of all the products showing on page 1. We can see how many products there are, monthly search volume, monthly market revenue, units sold, average seller rank, average price, ratings, and how many of the top 10 products have revenue over $5,000 and under 75 reviews. There's some very helpful visual aids that give us an idea of where most of the sellers come from, how the revenue is split between the different product listings, and a list of the page 1 products and their rank, price, revenue, and share of sales data. Up in the extension icon, we can launch the Xray Amazon product research tool and see even more data for these page 1 products. Let me highlight a few more things here that most people overlook. Next to the product name, we can see what type of listing is showing up in the results. It may be a sponsored product ad, Amazon's choice, or my favorite, the Amazon brand analytics results. Now you do need an active seller account on Amazon with brand registry to connect to this, but this shows us the top 3 products that get the most clicks, which is extremely valuable data. Look at the sales these top 3 clicked products are getting. If there was ever a way to figure out how to become a top seller in any product category on Amazon, it would be to find these top 3 ABA sellers and do everything you can to create a better product and offer than theirs. If you can do that successfully, you will print money on Amazon. But the beauty of this business opportunity is that you can still rake in stacks of cash being the 10th, 20th, or even 30th bestseller of a product. I tell people all the time, Amazon is wild. Now, if you scroll over, you can see more data for each product. A few other interesting metrics to look at here. Seller age. Notice how these top sellers have been around for a while, 3 to 5 years in this example. This is evidence that building a massive business on Amazon is a long-term game. But if you can strap in for 3 to 5 years, you can make buku bucks here. There's also some new kids on the block here that you can see are paying for a sponsored product listing to show up near the top of the search results. If new listings are generating solid sales, this can be a sign that if you're willing, you can come in and invest in advertising to grow fairly quickly. The main takeaways from the results of Xray are these. First, you're looking for what me and my team call market depth. We want a market that has customers, a market that's deep. My recommendation is to look for a market depth of at least $500,000. Now, we're still looking at travel golf bags for airlines, that keyword, but I would repeat this exercise for the other keywords in our list and see how the products in the results and the metrics change. But if on average, most of the similar keywords are at $500,000 or more, you're golden. Second, averages. What's the average revenue per seller, average price of this product, average reviews on listings, and average title count? We want average revenue and average price to be as high as possible. Why? Because we want to see a lot of sellers making a lot of sales. And higher average prices mean we likely have more margin to work with when it comes to costs and fees. We want average reviews and average title count to be as low as possible. For obvious reasons, lower average reviews mean the products on page 1 didn't need thousands of reviews to get there, which can take a long time. Title count also tells us that brands here are slacking and there's room to optimize your title better than the competition. People ask me what specific numbers they should look for here, but there really aren't specifics. If there were, everyone watching this would look for the same products. It's more of a confidence scale. If the numbers look good, it's likely going to mean it's going to be a little bit easier to make that product work. but it's all relative. Now, if the average revenue per seller was like $2,000, it's probably not worth the time to sell that product. Third, think spread. Ideally, we want to see a nice spread in the results and data. Scrolling through the search results themselves, we'd like to see a spread of different designs, styles, and product options. This shows that there's room to differentiate and be unique. Spread of brands. In Xray, do a scroll and pay attention to the brand names. We want lots of brand names, all getting sales. If there's only a handful of brands, it may be hard to break through. Spread of price. Are brands getting sales at a variety of different price points? This allows you room to find a price that works for your product and offer. If every product that you see is $10.99, you'd likely have to price at that or lower to get sales, which could be difficult depending on the cost to manufacture your specific product. Spread of sales, probably the most important one. We do not want a monopoly. We want lots of brands, lots of products getting lots of sales. You could do a quick sort of parent level revenue to see how many different products and brands are getting sales and how many sales they're getting. If a lot of people are eating, head to the buffet and write notes of your findings. You can snap screenshots or simply type out your thoughts and feelings towards an idea and the market as you do this. And if you want a worksheet to help guide you through this, I'll put another free download for you in the description. And if you haven't heard by now, I try to give away all my best stuff for free. Now in the next video, we'll take all the data and insights that we've gathered in this series and use the Helium 10 product launchpad to combine analytics with AI to reveal the final verdict for our product idea. You can click somewhere here to watch it, and we'll see you in the next video.